So in English, we can make a statement like, I am a man. And we can turn it into a question by swapping the word I and am around. So, am I a man? So, she is clever. Is she clever? And in Te Reo Māori, we can turn any statement into a question by adding the word rānei. For example, he kaia ko koe, you are a teacher. He kaia ko rānei koe, are you a teacher? Kua pānui ahau I tēnei puka puka, I have read this book. Kua pānui rānei ahau I tēnei puka puka, have I read this book? But you can also put the word rānei in different places for a different emphasis. And so, kua pānui rānei ahau I tēnei puka puka means have I or have I not read this book? But if I move the rānei, I can ask something slightly different, a different question. Kua pānui ahau rānei I tēnei puka puka. Have I read this book? You're asking me if I've read this book? Or, kua pānui ahau I tēnei puka puka rānei. Is this the book that I have read, or was it another book? We can also add kāore rānei at the end of a sentence, which means or not. He pai tēnei, kāore rānei, is this good or not? He kaia ko koe, kāore rānei, are you a teacher or not? And we can also ask a negative question with ehara rānei. Ehara rānei koe I te kaiko, are you not the teacher? And this is a little bit tricky because in English, if you are the teacher and someone said, are you not the teacher? You would answer yes, meaning yes, I am the teacher. But in Māori, and actually in most other languages, you would actually answer the other way. You would say, no. Are you not the teacher? No. Your statement that I am not the teacher is wrong. I am the teacher. Have you not read the book? Yes. Your statement that I have not read the book is correct. I have not read the book. So if a kid at school has to give a book review to the class and he says, yeah, it's a book. It's about a guy called Moby. He was a bit of a dick. The teacher might stop him and say, kua pānui koe I tēnei puka puka, kāore rānei, have you read the book or not? Oh yeah, nah, didn't. Too long.